Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 6 of civics, and the name of the chapter is political parties. Beta, today in the modern era, the first choice of the people is democracy. Can you imagine democracy without elections? No, not at all. Can you imagine elections without political parties? No, not at all. है ना? So for the existence of democracy, elections are necessary, and for elections, political parties are necessary. So in this chapter, we will read about political parties. First of all, we are going to read the meaning of political parties. What do you understand by political parties? Political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government, and to contest elections, they are framing some policies and they are making some programs, and they are putting these programs and the policies in front of the people, and after reading the policies and programs of political parties, the people are deciding to whom they are going to give vote. So this is the meaning of the political parties, and all the leaders are committed towards the political party. Okay, suppose if I am member of Congress, then I am loyal to the Congress party, and I will follow all the programs and all the policies which are made by Congress party. Okay, so this is political party. Now I am telling you the components of the political parties. Every political party is having three components. First is leader, second active members, and third followers. So first of all, who are these leaders, beta? Leaders, first of all, the leaders, which are the important part of the political party. So a political party is consist of leader who contest election, and if they win the election, they will perform the administrative duties, yani they will run the government, they will frame the laws. Okay, second component of the political party is active members. They are ones who climb a ladder from being the follower and become the assistant of the leaders to gain the knowledge about the politics. They can attend political meetings with the leaders. They are very close to the political leaders. They know what they are going, most of the time, not every time. They know what is going on in the party, what the leaders are going to do. Okay, what is their next policy? They are having knowledge, okay, about the party, because they are actively participating in the every activity of the political party. They are very close to the leaders. Then third component of the party is its followers. So they are just simply the dedicated workers of the party, and they work under the able guidance of active members. They are working under active members. Okay, so these three are the important components of the political parties. Without these three components, a political party cannot exist. Okay, these workers, active members, every part of the political party is very important. Okay, so now the next topic is what are the functions of the political parties. But political parties are doing so many functions. Okay, and first function of the political party is to contest elections. है ना? Why these are formed? What is their aim? To contest the elections. है ना? So this is the first function or work. Function means works. Which works are done by the political parties. So the political parties put up their candidates to contest elections. In most of the countries, the candidates are chosen by the top leaders of the party. But in USA, the candidates which will fight the election are chosen by the members and the supporters of the party. Okay, and in India, who is selecting the candidate? The top leaders of the party are selecting the leaders who will fight from different areas. Okay, this is suppose in Congress, the Congress main member, जो main है Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, she will decide who will fight election from Haryana, in Haryana Rohtak, from Hisar, from Bhiwani, है ना? So यानी top leaders are deciding, they are putting candidates to fight election from different areas. Okay, so this is very important function of the political party, to contest elections. Second is they are making policies and program. This is also very important work of the function of the political parties. Before contesting election, every political party will decide their program, will decide their policies, because after watching, after reading policies and program, the people are deciding to whom they are going to give their vote. Okay, so this is the second function of the political party. ठीक है बेटा. Third function of the political party is form and run the government. Elections will be held on the fixed date. Okay, then people will go and give their vote and choose a representative, है ना. So after it, counting will happen, and the name of the winner will be announced by the Election Commission of India. So the third function of the political party is to form and run the government. The party which has got the majority in the elections will make the government and will run the government. Okay बेटा, ठीक है. सो यानी दिस पार्टी विच इज़ रूलिंग, विच इज़ नाउ गवर्निंग द गवर्नमेंट इज कॉल्ड रूलिंग पार्टी. Okay, and what they will do now, they will implement their policies and programs, है ना, because they promise to the people कि if they will be in the power, they will do this, they will do that for the people. Okay, then fourth function of the political party is making law. After framing government, what they will do, they will make laws, they will frame laws, and this work is done by the parliament, legislature, है ना बेटा. So जो formally क्या होता है, all the laws are made and debated in the parliament and passed in the parliament. Okay, so this is the fourth function of the political party. Sorry. Next function of the political party is role of opposition. One party has won the election, they got the majority in the election, so they are called ruling party. The other party which is not able to win the election, which has lost the election, will form the opposition party. The opposition is very important in a democratic country like India, because what they will do, they will keep a watch on the working of the ruling party. They will see which policies, which rules are made by रूलिंग पार्टी, और वो एक बस एक ध्यान रखते हैं कि जहाँ पर रूलिंग पार्टी से थोड़ी सी भी मिस्टेक हुई, थोड़ी सी भी कोई रॉन्ग लॉ बना या रॉन्ग पॉलिसी इम्प्लीमेंट हुई, बस वो क्या बना देते हैं, उसको इश्यू बना देते हैं, और फिर दे विल क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट फॉर देयर रॉन्ग पॉलिसीज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल. ओके, यानी वैसे तो देखा जाए इट इज़ ऑल्सो नेसेसरी फॉर ए डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, है ना बेटा. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, द गवर्नमेंट कैन मेक द wrong laws, wrong policies. Who are telling us, who are telling to the common people that this law is wrong, this policy is wrong? These opposition parties. So opposition parties are playing very important role in democracy. They are criticizing the government for their every policy. यानी इसकी हेल्प से क्या होता है बेटा, हमें पता चलता है कि गवर्नमेंट की जो पॉलिसी है उसके गुड इफ़ेक्ट्स क्या हैं और बैड इफ़ेक्ट्स क्या हैं. Okay, so yani they are telling us the truth, what is truth. Okay, but sometimes they are not telling us the truth also, but फिर भी क्या है कि opposition are playing very important role, okay, in a democratic country. Okay, then next function of the political party is to shape the public opinion. What they will do, the political parties shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues. The parties have lakhs of members and activists spread all over the country. Okay, so what they are doing, they are trying to make public opinion in their favor. Public opinion means wishes of the people. Okay, so the public opinion will benefit for them during election. So they are telling what is wrong, what is good. Okay, so they are many times starting movements also against any wrong decision of the government with the help of people. Okay, so yani in this way they are trying to frame public opinion in their favor. Okay, they are pressurizing the government to fulfill their demands. If they are starting movement, they are pressurizing the government to fulfill their demands. Okay, next function of the political party is to assess the government machinery and welfare schemes. political parties beta provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by the government. For an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach to a local leader than a government employee. Okay, so yani the common people are able to go and meet the common leaders. Okay, and they can tell them their problems and can get the solution of their problem. So this is also a function of the political party, to access to government machinery and welfare. Okay, so yani they can meet the local leader and can tell their problem, and then that local leader will try to solve their problem by giving instructions to the government employee. Okay, administrative employee. Okay, so all these are the important functions done by the political parties. Goodbye.